Hi there, this is Ranjit, and in this video let's do a quick summary review of the OnePlus 9 Pro. And generally my full in-depth reviews are very long, 15 to 20 minutes, so I'm trying this new thing where I'll try to do the review quickly and give you a summary about it. So let's go over it, and here are some of the pros that I've noticed with this device. That's the OnePlus 9 Pro. And the first thing that I like is that it's actually pretty light for a flagship and also feels very premium. In fact, I like this in this matte black color, so feels premium and comfortable to hold. Also in terms of UI and everything, it's very fast and fluid. I haven't noticed any lag whatsoever. Moving to the screen, I feel that's the big improvement compared to earlier OnePlus devices. I have been actually using it in the Quad HD with that 120 Hz and no issues. In fact, I also like the fact that even at very low brightness level, there is no flickering or that tinting issues that I've noticed in earlier OnePlus device. So excellent quality screen that is used on this device, and even in outdoor conditions it's pretty legible. Next is talking about the speakers. The speakers are very loud and clear, so no issues with that. Also call quality was also very clear on this one. Next thing is regarding the charging. It comes with that 65-watt charger and it's super fast to charge. Also it does have wireless charging. I tested in my car and wireless charging also works. And another small thing that I noticed is the Wi-Fi reception on this one is excellent. In fact, I've tested a lot of smartphones and I would say the Wi-Fi range on this one is certainly among the best that I have seen among smartphones. Excellent Wi-Fi reception both on Wi-Fi 5 and Wi-Fi 6. Now let's move to some of the cons that I have noticed with this device, and the biggest con for me would be the battery life that I was getting on this one. It has a 4500 milliamp hour battery, and I would say the battery life is just strictly average. The lowest that I got is just about 4 hours of screen on time. This was when I was using the device mostly, I would say 80% on mobile data, and the best that I've got battery life is about 6 hours of screen on time, with a typical day of usage charging it after about 14 hours. So battery life is strictly average, guys, and I would say this can be an issue if you're sort of advanced or a power user. You will definitely have to top it up in the evening, and I would say to conserve battery life you might have to go down to that 60 Hz and go to normal Full HD instead of Quad HD. So battery life is a concern on this one. Next thing is this handset tends to get a little bit warm here at the back. It's not with gaming or anything, but even with just regular usage it does get a little bit warm, and I've heard this from other users also. So be aware, it's not like you cannot use the device, guys, but yeah, definitely this area gets a little bit warm. Now moving to another thing is regarding the heating. As we are talking, this is an issue with this device. If you use the camera quite a bit in outdoor conditions, you actually do get a warning and the camera will stop. So that is an issue. Again, outdoors, if you're using it, don't use the camera continuously because that will pop up. Next thing is regarding the fingerprint location. I've already mentioned about this in the unboxing video also. It's actually pretty low. Now I got used to it after 10 days of usage, but I still feel it's actually pretty low. And another thing is the alert slider. This should have got a little bit more friction, and because when I was keeping it in my jeans accidentally many times, this was just moving around. So this could have been better. And lastly, let's talk about the cameras, because that's the big hype about the Hasselblad camera. And I have to say the camera is certainly good. I would say one of the best among OnePlus. But as you can see with the sample shots outdoors, actually, yes, it came out good. The skin tones are produced well. But in certain situations, outdoor, when lighting is not that good, the camera shows its weakness. And again, I feel they have hyped up the Hasselblad branding quite a bit on this one. The next thing is regarding the 5G bands. It supports just 2 5G bands for the variant that is officially sold in India. So here is a quick summary what I wrote. So here it goes. Overall, this is a good Android smartphone. Feels premium and fluid in UI operation. It's got excellent screen quality, but battery life is average, and the camera heating warning pops up sometimes if used outdoors during the day. The camera performance is just above average, not the hype that they created because of the Hasselblad branding. Certainly the iPhones and the Samsung flagships have a better camera, and I would say that at the current price of about 65,000, OnePlus is certainly charging a premium because of that Hasselblad branding. I feel the fair price of this smartphone should have been about 55,000. So guys, this was the quick summary review of the OnePlus 9 Pro. Again, guys, if you want my regular pros and cons video that is about 15-20 minutes, it can go on, let me know. now I'll also do that. But what do you guys think about this quick summary reviews? Let me know in the comment section below. And guys, if you're still not subscribed to the YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button. And guys, I purchased this unit from Amazon, so I'll leave the link for the same. Anyways guys, take care, catch you later.